There's a program on Khan Academy that requires you to essentially scale things. So I've never used this screen recording software successfully. I've tried to use it a few times, but well, we'll just see how this goes. Anyways, I like to make my graphics as functions of some variable that's going to cause things to scale. Now, what's a graphics? Well, it's some shapes. So, just quite simply, let's make a red rectangle. Now, what am I going to put in here? Well, why don't we also pass an x and y coordinate? I like to actually draw them around like the 0, 0 coordinate, and then I can translate them. So I might also pass in, I might actually use x and y in translate. And then, so if I want my red rectangle to be right here in the graphics picture, and then I want it to be right here in like the actual program, then I would pass in like 100, 100 to translate it over there. So we could start out with it at 0, 0. And if I actually wanted it to be right here, I would call rect mode center. So, like, I just made a function that has all these parameters that I'm not using at all. But that's how I write these programs. I like add these in later. In JavaScript, you can have optional parameters. So if I tried to call these right now, they'd be undefined because I didn't put them in here. But that's perfectly okay. Like, since I if I actually wanted them to be considered optional, I would make conditionals in here such that if I didn't pass them in, then this block of code would be okay without them. Anyways, pretty sure this stupid screen recording stuff isn't going to work.